Welcome to Stikas. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can install Adobe Photoshop for absolutely free on your PC. It will be very easy tutorial, so don't be panic. First of all, open up your favorite browser and go to a link. I have provided this link in the description. Just check it out. After downloading the file, you have to extract that file. Okay, when you will go to extract this file, you have to put a password. I have provided that file password in the description, so don't worry. Okay, so after extracting the file, you will get this package. Okay, here you can see. Now you just need to click on setup option. Just click on setup option, I mean open it. Okay, click on yes. Continue. You can change location if you want. Here you can see. I'm creating. You can also create a new folder, file folder. Okay, now here you can see Photoshop CC 2020 is going to installing. Now it will be installing. You have to wait for a few moments. Okay, at this period you can take a break, have a cup of tea. Okay, here you can see installation complete. Now you will get Adobe Photoshop on your desktop. Here it is. Now let's open it for checking is it working or not. Okay, latest version of Adobe Photoshop 2020. Here you can see Adobe Photoshop CC full version. Okay, you can see this is a lifetime subscription. It's not a trial version, and you don't need any serial key or activation key. This is completely free forever. So you can play with Adobe Photoshop CC for lifetime without paying any kind of money. And this tutorial is just for educational purposes only. I do not promote any kind of privacy. Okay, I am helping to my audience that they can use Adobe Photoshop without paying money, especially who don't have to pay money. I mean, who don't have enough money to buy Adobe Photoshop. Okay, if you have enough money, you can buy it. Okay, so it's time to say goodbye. This is Onik Shobonik, and I am signing out. Have a nice day.